Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Leah. In today's video, I'm going to be doing heatless curls. So I got this from a discount store and I just wanted to try it because why not? I've been seeing this around on TikTok. I was like, let me try it. I already got curly hair, but I just want to see what type of curls it will form. So we're about to try it out. Let me open this. And this is my first time trying this. Okay, so in this box, 3 pieces, and it's a heatless curl set. It has the heatless curls and 2 scrunchies. This is what it's looking like right now. And I guess I just put it on my head like this. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. It's a little damp, so I'm just going to, well, it's a little damp, a little wet, but I'm gonna just soak it just a little bit and just spray it with the water bottle. And then brush it to get all the knots out. I just want to see what type of curls it will form. Because if it formed bigger curls, I would like that. Because my curl pattern is like real tight. Well, some of it is real tight, but it's like real tight. But I want them big curls, like that it be curling. Let's see if it would do the big curls. So let's do this. Let's see if I'm gonna do this right. So I guess I take one side and twist it. I'm gonna just wrap it around. Doing the other side. I don't know if I'm supposed to fold this, but I'm gonna fold it anyway. And then put the scrunchie on. I look like a ram right now. But I'm gonna see how this goes. I wanna put like I might put something over my head just in case, you know, it get messed up or a little frizzy. Just let it sit overnight and see how it goes. And I'm gonna just come back with the results. See you guys tomorrow. So it's the next morning and these are completely dry, so I'm going to just take it down and see what it's looking like.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
It's okay. So I'm gonna just unravel it. Maybe I turned it the wrong way or something, because let me just make sure it's right. I don't know how I feel about this. I probably did something wrong, or turn it the wrong way, or I do not know. But we're just gonna fix it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna use my edge control to lay my hair down. I don't know what happened, y'all. I don't know. It's getting, it have a little bit of curls. It's bouncing. Maybe I curled it the wrong way or did something wrong. It looked like it had potential, like real good potential. My hair wasn't messing with it for real. My hair wasn't, I don't know. I don't know what happened. But I'm going to try it again next time to see. I'm going to try a different method and see if it will work. What I did not work. So, will I try again? Yes, I will try again. Because it looked like it had potential. Really good potential. So that'll be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope I'll see you guys next time. Bye.